2% Club is only 2% of American families retire before the age of 50. Only 2%.
You see, I am that mom, the mom you pray you would never be, a mom who has lost her son to suicide.
We lost Jack in September of 2020, and Julie found me in 2022. That's only 2 years. And as a psychologist, I tell my clients and my patients that you can have healing at the same time as creation. They can coexist. Julie proved it to me.
I was diagnosed and prescribed medication for depression over 15 years ago. I spent the last 5 years of my life doing shadow work because I wanted to get off of them.
Congratulations to our authors. You turned your book into speaking engagements, podcast interviews, and coaching clients. At Hope Publishing House, we do more than publish. We position you for success. Hope Publishing House, where authors rise. Are you ready to share your wisdom with the world? A published book gives you instant credibility, increased income, and a global impact. Get registered for the Hope Publishing House Authors Program, and let's make a difference together.